Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video for you. This card making video is part of the Save the Crafty YouTuber video hub. This hub is a celebration of card making video tutorials created by a group of talented crafters of all different styles and levels. And we have amazing sponsors, so you have the chance to win some really nice prizes. I'm sharing a mixed media card today. I start by cutting a stitched frame from watercolor paper and I'm adding some texture paste with a stencil. Our hub runs over 5 days and gives you all a chance to discover other amazing card makers. All you have to do is watch, like the video, consider subscribing and click the link in the video description below to hop to the next video. After my texture paste is dry, I use Brushos to create the background. I'm using one of my favorite colors for autumn this time, and I start by wetting the paper on the front and the back side to avoid warping. I'm using purple, crimson, gamboge and turquoise. I think these 4 colors look so well together. After the background is dry, I'm using the carved Whimsy wood stamp set from Rubber Dance together with some archival and StazOn inks to create more interest on the background. I wanted to create some leaves to embellish my card, and I am planning to use some leaf dies from Holtz, and for that I am coloring a watercolor paper with Brushos. I'm using purple, olive green and crimson. I used a lot of water on my paper to get kind of a pouring effect. Finally, I decided to add a little bit of yellow. While the paper is drying, I am stamping my main images. It's a mushroom from the same set I've used before from Rubber Dance. As I'm working on watercolor paper, I stamp the mushroom twice to get a better impression. I also want to stamp the second one with black ink, but as I saw the gray impression, I decided that I want to go with this. I'm using their Arteza real brush pens to color in the mushrooms. For a chance to win a prize from our kind sponsors, you must comment on the videos. The more videos you comment on, the better chances you have. Please tell us in the comments where you're coming from, because some prices have restrictions regarding the shipping. I also have a personal giveaway on my channel, so if you leave a comment on my video, you will have a chance to win a stamp set from Rubber Dance. I will ship this prize internationally. I'm coloring one of my mushrooms with really saturated colors, and I will color the gray one just with a little bit of color to get a foggy look. I've cut out a lot of leaves from my Brushos background, and there are so many that I can use them on other projects too. I arranged them randomly to my card and glue them down. I'm cutting out the mushrooms, and I make sure to leave a little white border around the image to make it pop more from the background. I decided that I want to have some black splatters on the background, and as I forgot to do this before, I masked the rest of my embellishments so I don't have the black splatters everywhere. I'm adding some more leaves. I cut my sentiment from some gold glitter paper, and I adhered some double-sided tape to the backside before cutting, so it's easy to glue it to the card. Finally, I mount everything to a white card base. I hope you are enjoying the hop, and don't forget that we are coming together over 5 days this week, so don't forget to check out the other days too. I also want to say thank you, Justine, for organizing this hop, and thank you to our kind sponsors, and also a big thanks to Rubber Dance, who's sponsoring my personal YouTube channel. Don't forget to jump over to the next video, and I hope we see us next time on my channel. Bye!